In today's fast-paced world, it's more important now than ever to stay ahead of the game when it comes to marketing your local business. Video marketing is the key to keeping up with the times and staying relevant with your marketing. Make sure to stay to the end of this video because I'm going to talk to you about how you could actually use video marketing in less than an hour a week of your time. So just imagine having great video content and you only spend an hour on your marketing. Doesn't that sound amazing? I'm Kirsten with Six Figure Business Coaching, and we love helping our clients who are local businesses and online businesses learn how to leverage video marketing. And also we pair them with trained marketing virtual assistants who take the headache out of all of the production side of video marketing. So let's jump into it. The first thing I'm going to talk about is how can you use video marketing on your website? A great way to use video on your website is to create a video that shares your story, talks about you and how you built your business and how you like to serve your customers. It allows them to really get to know you, like you, and trust you. Another fantastic way to use video marketing on your website is take your frequently asked questions and answer them with videos. You know, we all go to the page when we have questions and we read the question and we read the answer, but it's so much more personal when you come on and you answer those frequently asked questions. People get to know you, they get to see how you communicate, and it builds that trust factor. So creating videos for your FAQs is also a fantastic way to have great video content on your website. Another thing you can do is video testimonials. Your customers love you, and getting video testimonials on your website really connects with people. Face it, we live in a society where we read reviews about everything. If we're going to a restaurant or ordering something on Amazon, we read reviews. But video testimonials for a local business can carry a lot of weight and a lot of power because you're getting to hear from people who live in your area, your neighborhood, who have used your business and have great things to say. Video content for your website can also showcase your staff. If you have a good sized business and you know that your customers are going to come in contact with your staff, it's a great thing to have videos that showcase who they are and how they help your customers. It makes people feel like they're a part of something. I think people love behind the scenes stuff because, again, it makes you feel like you're a part of that business or you're seeing really what's going on with that business. And it's just a great way also to make your employees and your staff feel like they're part of the team. So amazing videos that showcase your staff and their talent is a form of video marketing. Creating videos that are going to promote your products and services are a great way to talk about the product or service in a much more friendly way. Sometimes you can show how you use a product or a service, or you can demonstrate the benefits of that in a video. So think about how can you showcase your products or your services in videos on your website. If you can see the value of adding videos to your website, in the comments below, give me a big fat yes. And let's get on to some other things that you can do as part of your video marketing plan. More and more local businesses are starting YouTube channels because they see the value in local SEO. We all know that Google owns YouTube. And if you've done a search lately, you may see in Google that they also pull up YouTube videos. So if someone's searching for what you have to offer locally and you have a video that has great information in it and it's got all the keywords and the tags and it's SEO rich, there's a very good chance that Google will showcase your video. So not only do you get to take advantage of SEO when someone actually goes to YouTube and searches for something, but you get to take advantage of YouTube's SEO when people are searching on Google, and that is incredibly powerful. But what kind of videos would you put on your YouTube channel? Let's talk about a how-to video, and I want to give you an example. One of our clients owns a local moving company, and he did a fantastic video on how to move a cabinet that had glass in the front. They talked about how to keep it protected from getting banged up on the edges, but he was also talking about how to make sure the glass didn't get broken. And he talked about wrapping it in a quilt, a really quilted special type of moving blanket. And then he also talked about creating a box around it using cardboard, because that way if someone hit the blanket, it might still crack the glass. But if you had that extra protection of the cardboard, then it would give you an extra layer of protection. Now you may be thinking, why would I want to show my prospective clients how to do something like wrapping a cabinet to protect the glass? Well, there's a couple of reasons. First of all, when I watched this video, I thought, oh my gosh, that's a lot of work. Plus, I realized I would need supplies. I would need these special blankets and I would need this cardboard. And it would have taken me twice as long as it took him to do this, I'm quite sure. So if I were in the process of moving, I might think I want to hire this guy rather than do it myself. Now, not everyone who watches your video content is going to hire you. So let's say I watched the video because I only had to move one thing. I just have to move this cabinet that has glass in the front. So I watched this mover's video. I'm able to get some friends to help me, and we're able to put the blankets around it. We do the cardboard thing and we get it loaded into the truck and it arrives safely. So now this local business owner has just provided me information for free. But how does that help the business owner? Well, one, if someone was talking about moving, I might say, hey, I watched this video from a local moving company and they're fantastic. Let me send you the link to their videos. So just because I didn't hire them doesn't mean I won't refer them. Or perhaps I'm going to move in 6 months to a year and I'm going to remember them. So by adding value and teaching people how to do things is a great way to show that you're truly committed to your community and you want to help people. And what's going to happen is the right clients are going to come to you. Next, we're going to get into one of my favorite things about video marketing. But before we do, if you're finding this video helpful, please like it and subscribe. It lets YouTube know that we're creating content that is of value and it's helping you. So we'd really appreciate that. So far we've talked about how you can use videos on your website and why you should consider starting a YouTube channel for your local business. But what are some of the other advantages to creating video content? Well, first of all, there are other platforms that take advantage of SEO. So for example, both TikTok and Pinterest are SEO platforms. So if you create a really fantastic video for YouTube, you can then repurpose that video for Pinterest or TikTok if that's where your audience is and you're on those platforms. So you create a video one time and you get to use it in multiple places. Well, all of the social media platforms want video content. LinkedIn wants video, Facebook, Instagram, they all want video content. So by creating videos for your website and your YouTube channel, it gives you tons and tons of great content that you can use on your social media platforms. And what's awesome is it's original content. People get to see you, they get to see your staff, they get to be educated by you. So that's going to build a lot more relationship with them than if you're just posting a generic quote or sharing a generic article. So by showing up on your social media platforms and showcasing your expertise and your knowledge and presenting yourself as the authority in your business, people are going to see that content, be more likely to comment on it, engage with it, more likely to share it, and also more likely to reach out to you to do business with you. So social media marketing is a fantastic way to take advantage of video marketing, and you don't have to create new content. You can repurpose what you already have. Now, the next way that a local business can take advantage of video marketing is with email marketing. If you spend time building an email list so that you can stay in touch with your customers and prospects, that's fantastic, because we all know these social media platforms can change. So you always want to have an email list with your contacts on that list. But what do you send to them? We find a lot of business owners actually have an email list, but when I ask how often do you email your list and what do you send out, it's crickets. A lot of times they've taken the time to build the email list, but they don't know what to send out. So sending out your weekly video is a great way to send something of value to your email list. It's a great way to get in front of them once a week, get your face in front of them, showcase your products or service, talk about your specials, and have call to actions. Maybe it's 10% off, or maybe check out this video where I'm going to show you how to do this. So you're going to give them value and you're going to ask them to do something. You're going to move them closer to becoming a customer of yours. At the beginning of this video, I told you to stay to the end because I was going to tell you how you could create great video marketing for your local business in less than an hour a week. So in the description, I'm going to put a link to a guide that we have that will show you exactly how you can create amazing SEO-rich video content and get all of these done with a marketing virtual assistant in less than 1 hour a week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.